Welcome to the next video. Some useful vocabulary for medical professionals with ممكن, وين, مرة, جدا, خلي, خليك. The first word is ممكن. ممكن is used for request, possibilities and asking permissions. Request like could you please, and possibilities like maybe, and asking permission may I or can I. The first example, ممكن تنتظر برا. ممكن تنتظر برا. Could you please wait outside? ممكن means could you please. تنتظر means wait. برا outside. ممكن تنتظر برا. Could you please wait outside? Next one, can I wait outside? Can I wait outside? Same like ممكن انتظر برا. ممكن انتظر برا. ممكن تنتظر means you wait. ممكن انتظر means I wait. برا outside. You can use استنى instead of intalir or tantalir. Istanna means wait. Next one is can I go to the bathroom? ممكن أروح حمام. ممكن أروح حمام. Can I go to the bathroom? ممكن أروح حمام. Once again, ممكن word used for a request, possibilities and asking permissions. Like could you please, maybe, may I, can I. Could you please wait outside? ممكن تنتظر برا. Or ممكن ممكن تستنى برا. Next one, can I wait outside or I can wait outside, the same meaning. ممكن انتظر برا or ممكن استنى برا. Next one, can I go to the bathroom? ممكن أروح حمام. ممكن أروح حمام. Can I go to the bathroom? Next one, could you please show me ID card? ممكن وريني بطاقة شخصية. بطاقة شخصية means ID card. وريني means show me. وريني, show me. Next one, could you please show me the health insurance details? Details means تفاصيل. تفاصيل, details. ممكن وريني تفاصيل تأمين الصحة. تأمين الصحة means health insurance. تفاصيل, details. ممكن وريني could you please show me تفاصيل تأمين الصحة, health insurance details. Next one, please sign here. ممكن وقع هنا. ممكن وقع هنا. وقع means sign. هنا means here. Can you spell the letters of your name? ممكن قل حرف اسمك. ممكن قل حرف اسمك. اسمك means your name. حرف means letters. ممكن قل حرف اسمك. Once again, could you please show me ID card? ممكن وريني بطاقة شخصية. وريني means show me. بطاقة شخصية means ID card. ممكن could you please. Next one, could you please show me the health insurance details? Health insurance details. تفاصيل تأمين الصحة. تفاصيل means details. تأمين الصحة, health insurance. Next one, please sign here. ممكن وقع هنا. ممكن وقع هنا. Hina means here. Wakah means sign. Can you spell letters of your name? Mumkin gul haraf ismak. Mumkin gul haraf ismak. Next one. Can I take leave tomorrow? Mumkin ahud ijaza bukra. Ahud means take. Ijaza leave. Bukra tomorrow. Mumkin ahud ijaza bukra. Can I take leave tomorrow? Next one. Can I go to the country next month? If you are working in abroad. Mumkin aruh ilal bilad shahr tali. Mumkin aruh ilal bilad shahr tali. Shahr tali means next month. Aruh means go. Bilad means country. Next one. Can I go to the room early? Mumkin aruh badri ilal hurfa. Badri means early. Mumkin aruh badri ilal hurfa. Once again. Can I take leave tomorrow? Mumkin ahud ijaza bukra. Next one. Can I go to the country next month? Mumkin aruh ilal bilad shahr tali. Can I go to the room early? Mumkin aruh badri ilal hurfa. Another example is, maybe he will come after 2 hours. Mumkin huwa biwasal bahada sahatain. Mumkin huwa biwasal bahada sahatain. Another one. Maybe doctor leave on tomorrow. Mumkin doktor fali bukra. Mumkin doktor fali bukra. Next one is where. Aina. Its pronunciation is Vain. Where is the reception? Vain istiqbal. Vain al istiqbal. Where is the reception? Vain al istiqbal. Where is the car parking? Vain mawqif sayyara. Vain mawqif sayyara. Where is the car parking? Mawqif means parking. Sayyara car. Next one. Where is the doctor room? Vain urfa tabib. Vain urfatu tabib. Next one. Nursing station. Markasul mumajilat or urfatul mumajilat. You can ask where is the nursing station? Vain markasul mumajilat. Once again. Vain. It is used for where. The meaning where. Where is the reception? Vain al istiqbal. Where is the car parking? Vain mawqif sayyara. Where is the doctor room? Vain urfatu tabib. Where is the nursing station? Vain markasul mumajilat or vain urfatul mumajilat. Next one is jiddan. Marra, wajid. These words are used for very or quite or extremely or highly or much. Jiddan, marra, wajid. Some example. Please help me. I am very tired today. Mumkin sahidni. Al-yum ana marra tahban. Marra tahban means I am very tired. Marra tahban, very tired. Mumkin sahidni. Please help me. Al-yum today ana marra tahban. Next one. Today very hot. Al-yum har jiddan. Al-yum har jiddan. Today very hot. Next one. Your temperature is very high. Darajat hararatak murtafiat jiddan. Darajat hararatak murtafiat jiddan. Hararatak means your temperature. Murtafiha means high. Jiddan very. Murtafihat jiddan very high. Darajat hararatak murtafihat jiddan. Your temperature is very high. Next one, your blood pressure is very high. ضغط دمك مرتفع جدا. مرتفع جدا means very high. Once again, جدا مرة واجد. These words are used for very or quite or extremely or highly or much. In this case, you can use this like Arabic words جدا مرة or واجد. Some example, please help me. I am very tired. ممكن ساعدني اليوم أنا مرة تعبان. مرة تعبان means very tired. Next one, today very hot. اليوم حار جدا. Next one, your temperature is very high. درجة حرارتك مرتفعة جدا. درجة حرارتك مرتفعة جدا. Your temperature is very high. Your blood pressure is very high. ضغط دمك مرتفع جدا. Next one is خلي. خلي is used for leave. Leave it to tomorrow. خلي بكرة. خلي بكرة. Leave it to tomorrow. خلي بكرة. Another usage is علي يولي. Leave it. علي يولي. Leave it. Next one, خلي عندك or خلي معك. Let it be with you. خلي معك or خلي عندك. Let it be with you. خلي هذا. Leave it. خلي هنا. Leave it here. Once again, خلي meaning like leave. خلي بكرة. Leave it to tomorrow. خلي بكرة. خلي يولي. It is another usage for leave it. خلي معك or علي عندك. Let it be with you. علي معك or علي عندك. Next one, خلي هذا. Leave it. خلي هذا. Leave it. خلي هنا. Leave it here. خلي هذا. Leave it. خلي هنا. Leave it here. Next one, خلي أنا أشوف إيش هذا. خلي أنا أشوف إيش هذا. Let me see what is this. خلي أنا أشوف. Let me see إيش هذا. What is this? إيش means what. Let's work. خلي نمشي. خلي نمشي. Let's walk. Let's walk means خلي نمشي. Let me try. خليني جرب. خليني جرب. Let me try. Next one, let me search again or let me check again. خليني فتش مرة تاني. خليني فتش مرة ثانية. فتش means check or search. خليني فتش مرة ثانية. Let he do this job. خلي هو يسوي هذا العمل. خلي هو يسوي هذا العمل. In other words, خلي هو يسوي هذا الشغل. Next one, let's work. خلي نعمل. Let's work. خلي نعمل. You stay in the hospital. خليك في المستشفى. خليك في المستشفى. You stay in the hospital. Stay in the bed. خليك في السرير. You stay in the bed. خليك في السرير. Once again, let me see what is this. خلي أنا أشوف إيش هذا. خلي أنا أشوف إيش هذا. Let's work. خلي نمشي. Let's walk. خلي نمشي. Let me try. خليني جرب. خليني جرب. Let me try. Let me search again or let me check again. خليني فتش مرة تاني. خليني فتش مرة تاني. Let he do this job. خلي هو يسوي هذا العمل or خلي هو يسوي هذا الشغل. Let's work. خلي نعمل. خلي نعمل. Let's work. You stay in the hospital. خليك في المستشفى. You stay in the hospital. خليك في المستشفى. You stay in the bed. خليك في السرير. خليك في السرير.